MatOrtho is a UK-based orthopaedics company. We manufacture orthopaedic implants and instrumentation and supply implants all over the world. We've done various cutting trials on the Makino, really impressed with the efficiency of the machine, the speed of the machine, really like the setup, ease of use, etc. It's a team effort to choose a machine, and I think the whole of the team agreed that that was the right machine for MatOrtho.
Well, one of them was that you're local, so spares are very local, any spares we might require, so we'll keep the machine running in the future. Also the fact that the machine is very fast and it uses wire more efficiently, so it's going to be more cost effective over time.
Having the confidence in the equipment that we have, we're producing really critical components here, so for us it's knowing that every time we're getting the correct job off the machine to the spec of the drawings, as well as in this day and age we got to look at cost savings, so we're saving a lot on wire consumption, power consumption, and we are able to free up the operators to move around and do other things while the machines are running.
Previously we had 2 wire rotor machines, fairly old, started to cause us problems, so we've decided to invest in the Makino. We think that's going to replace the 2 old machines, far more efficient, running costs far lower. We're always looking to reduce our carbon footprint as well, and we think the Makino will help us achieve that. Support has been really good. The machine is only being installed today, but training took place last week. Very efficient. The guys who've done the training, really impressed with what they've received so far. Everything we've seen to date is looking good for the future. We wanted a company that's going to support us moving forward. Previously with other machine tool suppliers, we found the support to be great for the first few months, and then the interest disappears, but we do honestly feel that NCMT will support us along the way into the future.
All I can say is a big thank you so far to NCMT. We've been treated with amazingly. Everything from day one till now has been great. It's all run smoothly. The training was exceptional, and communication is great.